Yeah. Well, anyone could think they're cool. Oh! So you think that's your opinion. Opinion does not matter. I bet when you're in high school, I'm gonna be in high school, kids smuggle you ketchup all the time. Okay, well I say goodbye to you. I don't want to hear you for the rest of my life. Bye. Sorry, it's just the doctor. So, if you've been seeing that, it's the weirdest videos ever. Weirdest videos ever. Season 1. Anyway, that's the CD right there. Weirdest videos ever. Play scenes. Okay then. So let's go to it. Let's go do the scenes. Nice, huh? My video, or go down here. The arrow goes to the next one. Now it's 3 arrows, guys. I'll go back. And that is... Yep, that's it. So we're ever season 1. There it is. He made me a copy of it. And he made it on my computer. Here's my window. It's the only way out of my fortress. Goes all the way down to the ground down. It may not look far, but it's really far down there. Ooh, ah. Thought my mom took this camera to work with her, but anyways, nobody is in the house right now except for me and animals, but this is the constructed bathroom I'm working on right now. I think it's going really well. Oh god, this is heavy. Oh, you could just sneak a peek in there. That's my pool. Yeah, well anyways, that's this video, just telling you about season 1.